Long-term care facilities in Rock Island County are seeing a surge in coronavirus cases.
It's a trend that's been a problem for nursing homes across the country. That is the top story at 6 o'clock.
This week, 10 residents have tested positive with the virus at Heartland Healthcare in Moline. Last week, 21 cases were linked to an outbreak at St. Anthony's Nursing Home in Rock Island. 2 weeks ago, 14 people tested positive at Masonite Health Facilities in Bettendorf. Local 4's Aaliyah Sims has more on how the virus is spreading in facilities that have taken so many precautions.
There are several nursing homes in Rock Island County that have had outbreaks or are currently in outbreak status.
And the most recent one is Heartland Healthcare Center in Moline.
This is not a surprising situation. It's an unfortunate one, but it's not surprising.
Janet Hill, Chief Operating Officer with the Rock Island County Health Department, says there are 10 cases that have been reported at the care center, which holds a vulnerable population.
Health officials say the cases coming from the nursing homes aren't typically from the patients who live there. They say the staff coming in and out of the building could be the ones bringing back the virus.
You know, a lot of times people who work at nursing homes are younger, and I think they need to understand that the actions that they take in their off hours could definitely impact the people that they care for.
Last week, the county reported one of the highest daily COVID counts in months. That was due in part to an outbreak at St. Anthony's Care Center in Rock Island, where 21 cases were reported. Hewell Colvin says his sister was one of those cases.
It brings a lot of concern. One in particular is that, her age group is going to be 79 this month.
He says the staff at the center have been open and honest with him.
They are doing the best that they can under these terrible circumstances.
Aaliyah Sims, Local 4 News.
And Colvin goes on to say that he speaks with his sister on the phone at least 3 times a week, and that communication is critical, helping to ease the concerns.